Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 6th standard poem Sympathies, Comprehension and Vocabulary. C1. Discuss the following questions in small groups and present your answers to the class. First one. How did the proud man react to the poet's sorrow? The answer is the proud man looked at the poet coldly, without any emotions. He did not even offer words of sympathy, but he gave the poet gold or money. Second one, what do you mean by his looks were cold? The answer is his looks were cold tells that the proud man did not sympathize with the poet. Third one, in spite of having gold, the poor man was not happy. Why? The answer is, in spite of having gold, the poor man was not happy because nobody spoke to him with the kind words. Fourth one, the poet paid back the proud man. What does this tell you about the poet's character? The answer is, the poet was graceful for the proud man's help. He was very sincere in paying back his money. Fifth one, state any two ways by which the poor man expressed by his sympathy. A. The poor man bound the poet's head. He gave him bread. B. The poor man cared for the poet day and night and nursed him back to health. Sixth one, what according to poet is greater than gold? The answer is, heavenly sympathy is greater than gold. Explain the last two lines of the poem. The answer is, for any man, gold is very precious and great, but sympathy is more precious and greater than gold, because that quality cannot be acquired. This was an inborn quality in the poet, so it is called as heavenly sympathy. Eighth one, in not more than 50 words, describe the situation when someone was kind to you. The answer is, it was a rainy day. Due to the clumsy weather, the school was left off. I started homework. Came to the home, it was a muddy road. The clay on the road was very slippery because of the rain. My walking stopped when I was at the entrance of the road. There was no one who was there on the road. I was waiting in the drizzle for more than an hour for somebody to come and help me cross the clay road. There appeared a man in a two-wheeler who was kind enough to enquire me and dropped me at home within 5 minutes. Next heading, C2. Given below is a summary of the poem. Complete it by writing the missing words. We give the missing word in the blanks. I read the paragraph. Okay. Once I was very sad. A proud man heard my grief. He gave me some money but did not say even a single word of kindness. When my sorrow was over, I went to him, gave back his money and thanked him. After some time, I was again in trouble. A poor man passed by me. He bandaged my head, he gave me bread and looked after me day and night. I feel I won't be able to repay him because Sympathy is more precious than gold. Next, let's practice words. V1. Find the odd word out in each set. Sorrow, grief, distress, worry, pride. The odd word is pride. Second one, hot, cold, warm, boiling. Cold. Third one, rich, poor, wealthy, well-to-do, well-off. You have to write. The answer is poor. V2. Look at the words given below. The same word has different meanings in different situations. Find the different in meaning with the help of the example given below. Pair up with your friends to work on more words. Use dictionary. We have an example. Passed. Ravi passed in the examination. Ankita passed close by me but did not recognize me. Ovia passed the ball to Sharon. The old man passed away yesterday. This is a one word only, but it has a lot different meanings. Okay. This is a passed. This is in one word and it has a different meanings. So you have to write similarly. Differentiate the meanings of the words below with the suitable examples. First one is lie. Don't lie in the sun for too long. The future lies in multimedia. The town lies in the small wooded valley. Second one, B. Mouse. Use the word mouse and make a different meaningful sentences. First one, there is a mouse in our kitchen. I have no mouse to operate my computer. C. Bank. I have go to the bank after lunch. Ravi pushed the boat away from the bank. Did you draw the money from bank? Then D. Sweet. The three sentences are given here. Eating sweets is bad for your teeth. Don't cry for sweet. This tea is too sweet. E. Note. I made a note of her address and phone number. There was a note on my table. She has a good voice but has trouble hitting the high notes. F1. Lift. I lifted down my suitcase and opened it. He lifted both hands on a gesture of despair. Do you want a lift into town? G. Light. The sentences are: the light is not enough to take a photograph. The candle fell over and set light of the tragic news. The celebration is cancelled. Next heading, V3. Sit with your friend and write out words related to. You have to write the words related to the word sympathy. Sympathy. Tears. Sorry. Support. Feeling. Agree with. Approval. Next word is movement. Movement. It's like a game. You have to sit with your friend and do this. Running, dancing, driving, skipping, shaking, and jogging. Let's write. Next thing. The following words are spelled wrongly. Can you write the correct spellings? Use a dictionary. This is a wrong word. We give this correct spelling here. G-R-A-T. G-R-E-A-T. Great. This is a right word. Grief. G-R-E-I-F. But right spelling is G-R-I-E-F. Blessed. B-L-E-S-S-E-D. Blessed. Proud. P-R-O-U-D. Proud. Single. S-I-N-G-L-E. Single. Herded. Herd. It is a right word. H-E-A-R-D. Herd. Sympathy. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y. The correct spelling is this one. Sorrow. S-O-R-R-O-W. Sorrow. Although. A-L-T-H-O-U-G-H. Although. Distress. D-I-S-T-R-E-S-S. Distress. Heavenly. H-E-A-V-E-N-L-Y. Heavenly. This is a right spelling. Okay. And this poem is written by Charles Mackay. Now the vocabulary is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.